Hey guys, it's Drew with TerraXploreDrones. Today we're out here testing the spot spraying with our T100 and T60. We previously mapped this field with the Mavic M4E, and then we put that map into Agremo, where we then did a weed detection prescription map that we uploaded to our T100 and T60. So today we're just out here testing out with some blue dye in the tank and cards out over by the weeds, and we're going to see how it can do. We got the blue dye loaded up in the T100 and the spot spraying cards out in the field by the weeds. So let's see how it can do. As you can see, the T100 is flying autonomously via the Agremo prescription map we created. As it approaches the weed, you can see in green and purple, the flow in the bottom right corner is going to jump to around 8 gallons per acre. As the drone's leaving the weed, the flow shuts down to 0. That means the spot spraying is working correctly. There is no wasted chemicals when we do this. We estimate a rough savings around 90% chemical cost by spot spraying this field opposed to spraying the whole entire field. Okay, we just got done spraying, so let's check out how the T100 did spraying this weed. As you can see with our homemade spray cards here, with the blue dye, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it got absolutely smoked. I'm very pleased today to see how the T100 did with the spot spraying. It was super cool seeing it fly over weed, turn on and spray it, and then turn off once it went past that weed. And as you can see, it did a really good job making contact with that weed. So we're going to do multiple tests with Agremo and with the T100, doing variable rate maps and prescription maps all through Agremo. Leave a comment and leave a like. I want to see what you guys want to see these drones do.